Good morning, everybody. I hope you're enjoying your COVID crisis lockdown crap. This morning we are here at Nippon Nostalgic in beautiful sunny North Bundaberg, and we're going to be changing my strut inserts. Yeah, I'll be careful. Spring of Death. I won.
You're all confident now,
Yeah, a little bit. That goes there. Sam said something. Yeah, you fill them back up, but I don't know what the process is.
Yeah, well, there's not a lot of fluid in there, so, and everything seems good. It's really filthy.
And you could tell it was dampening because when we took the pressure off of that, it sunk in, eh? So it was dampening still. Let's consult the library. No. Yes. Okay, so the 120Y book, it says 325 cc's of Amco, which we think is just 10 weight oil, but the internet says 15 if you want a bit more. So then we're just going to fill these ones back up and chuck them back in and then see how they go rather than swapping the inserts. Alright, so I've got some 15 weight fork oil and a measuring container. Stick it in, see what it does. Alright, let's see how this goes.
I'll download all your videos off YouTube one day and just make a montage and go, alright!
Okay. Now did you see where I put the fucking O-ring?
Oh no! You didn't, did you?
Oh no, it's here. I got it. On the fucking Stilson's cunt. Now, is oil supposed to get above this? It's not, is it?
What do you mean?
Above this bit. Oh yeah, I guess
Suck it up. Suck it up with the, put it in, plunge it right all the way down, and then put it in and suck it up like a syringe.
Yeah, no, that's what I did. Yeah. Yeah, it's
And
just,
then just like
it just rose up above that a little bit. But
yeah, you just pump it a few times so we should get the air out.
okay, last few wagga duggers, and then we're ready to bleed the brakes and chuck the wheels back on. All done, also. And don't over dugga dugga your shit. It'll end bad. That's it. Pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it. Alright. Now hold it down. Yep. Alright. Hold it down, don't let it up. You ready? Alright. Yep. Pumping, pumping, pumping. No air in that side now. That's it. Pump, 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 pump. Is it getting harder now? Yeah. Alright, hold it down. Pump, 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 pump. So Angus, mixed little boy, he's the pumper. Pump, pump, pump. Does it feel better now?
Yeah.
Hold it down as hard as you can. Yeah, it looks a bit soft. Alright, hop out so I can feel it. Oh yeah, no. No, she feels good. Perfect. Thanks, man. Thank you. Alright. We look really high on this side.
Oh, you got to. Yeah, it'll take time to settle because, like,
Yeah.
camber and everything when you had it jacked up.
Oh yeah, no, I guess it looks about the same. It just looks uneven though. But...
Yeah, it's just because it's got positive camber on it at the moment because
Yeah, you can see the positive camber on the wheels. Alright, so we're all done. Go do a lap around the block and we'll see how it goes. Hopefully the tripod don't move too much and should get some good driving vision. Right, go down here, we'll find the shitty bumpy farmer road. Oh, smooth as a baby's bum. Oh, fuck yeah. The brakes are a bit spongy, Angus. Yeah, you didn't do the greatest job, mate. Alright, so we've almost done our lap. We're just coming back into North Bundy now. That's it, get out of the way. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Always like and subscribe. I can't get enough of the shit. So yeah, and we'll talk to you later on. I got a lot more to come this week, and maybe even the Savo tonight. It'll be tonight. This one won't go up till the Savo and the best. Take it easy.